Welcome back to Science Term of the Day. I'm your guide, Mr. Samuel Rickard, for all things science. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what science term you want me to talk about next in the comments below. I have a Bachelor's of Science degree from UCLA and Master of Education degree from University of San Diego, and I'm excited to guide you through this series of some terms that you may or may not be familiar with that are used every day in science. Okay, so today's key term of the day is stewardship. As always, take a minute to pause the video and see if you can define this term for yourself, especially how it might be used in a science class. Okay, so thank you for all of you who defined this for yourselves. I don't care if you get this perfect, I care that you try. By trying, that's how you learn and improve each and every day. So this word stewardship has to do with the idea of taking care of something. Oh, I'm erasing, not writing, that's not good. Okay, taking care of something that isn't yours. So you could take care of something, but the key thing is not yours. The famous example in the best movie of all time, The Lord of the Rings, is the steward of Gondor, the steward Denethor. He's not actually in charge of the kingdom of Gondor. He's just the steward because there's a king coming, King Aragorn. So he's still taking care of it. He's in charge until the king comes back to take the kingdom for himself. Now, how might that be applied to your science classes? Well, as an environmental science teacher for the past 10 years, we think a lot about stewardship, because if I am in charge of an area for a while, let's say even I own the land, the idea of environmental stewardship is that even though I'm in charge of it, I don't own it forever. The idea is that if I'm in charge of a lake or my house or a national park or an entire country, we're stewards of it. We shouldn't treat it as if it's ours to use and abuse forever. And so it's a different mentality of just using a resource up. Being a steward of it means you can harvest it, you use it for the good, but you're trying to be a steward of it for future generations, for the next generation and for the one after that. That will cause you to want to use it sustainably. So you take care of it like it doesn't just belong to you, but it belongs to the future generations. That's the idea of stewardship. Okay, hopefully you liked that key term for today. Thank you as always for watching. The biggest way you can support my channel is by watching. Please like and subscribe. And also thank you for the sponsor of today's video, ScholarDog. They're trying to use educational AI for good. At ScholarDog, that means that they're using AI to give tutoring for students who wouldn't otherwise have tutoring for it, access to tutoring at midnight the day before the test. Your students would never need tutoring at midnight the day before the test because they're always proactive. But in case they ever do, they can use ScholarDog AI to give them personalized tutoring that doesn't give them the answers, but helps them walk through the learning process and learn for themselves. Try it for free at scholardog.com for yourselves. Thank you.